Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 brightness slider missing problem. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all in the search box type a device manager. Open device manager. After opening that, first of all click on a display adapter and expand. Select a display adapter, right click on update driver, click search click on a browse my computer from drivers, click on let me pick from a list of available driver on my computer. Select a driver, click on next to continue and install the device driver. After that, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a device manager. Open device manager. Click on a display adapter. Select a display adapter. Right click on update driver. Click search automatic from drivers. Now, in my case, Windows successfully update the driver, but if you're not auto update, then update your window. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a device manager. Open device manager. Click on a monitor. Select a monitor driver. Right click on update driver. Click on browse my computer from drivers. Click on let me pick from a list available driver on my computer. Select it and click next to continue and install the driver. After that, close it. After that, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a device manager. Open device manager. Select a monitors, select a driver, click on update drivers, click on search automatic driver from computers, click on search for update driver on Windows Update, and if any update available, then download and install in your PC. So after installing that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.